I'll be showing you how to update text and images within your Divi website. First off, I've logged in, and as soon as you've logged in using your login details, you'll come to this screen here, which is your dashboard. Now, the best thing about Divi is that you can edit from the front end, so you can almost see your changes happening in front of your eyes. It makes it a really simple and easy to use tool if you ever want to update any content yourself. So I know there's a couple of bits we want to cover today, and first of all we're going to touch base on how to edit your text and images. So I'm using this website as an example. So if I just go back a step and just show you what I did there. So I just hovered over the name of the site and then clicked on visit site. And from this screen, you'll see you've got this black bar that appears at the top, and you've got this enable visual builder button at the very top here. And what you can go ahead and do is, if you're on the page that you want to update, you can just click on the enable visual builder and that'll allow you to edit that page, or you can navigate to the page you want to edit itself. So if we want to go to another page, we can load that page up, jump into enable visual builder, and what that'll do is you'll get this sort of loading screen appear. And now when you hover over things, you can see items hovering, and this means you're in the visual builder section. So to update any imagery or text, we can go down to this text and image section. So if you hover over any section, you will see sort of a charcoal grey border that appears around the section you're looking to edit, and you'll get this toolbar that appears as well. So what you can do once you're on there is actually click on the cog, and it'll give you an option. So bring up this panel here. This panel allows you to update imagery. It also allows you to change the size and a lot of different things really. So you've got things like the border, shadows, any sort of filters you want to put on there, anything like that you can do within this panel itself. But just as this is like a sort of a basic video, we're just going to show you how to update the image. So now this box has appeared, we can now click into the image itself. And what that will do is it will show you all the images within your media library. So you can go ahead and select any that you've got currently in there, or you can drag images directly into it, or you can go into upload files and upload any files that you've got from there. But in this instance, I'm just going to go and change this image here, and you'll see that it's ticked on there. And making sure you've got some sort of alternate text in there. And then you can go ahead and upload image. Now you can see that image changed. If for whatever reason you're not happy with that, you can then click on the purple sort of back button, and it will revert it back to how you were. So it's really simple. If you sort of do something and you make a mistake, you can literally just go back and undo that. But let's say we're happy with that image here. We want to go ahead with that, so we'll just click on the tick icon, and then what you can do is you can click this purple circle that appears at the bottom middle of your page, and as you hover, you see a little drag icon. But what we can do is actually just click that. On the left hand side here, you've got your responsive tools, so you can see what that looks like on different devices. Or you can save it at the bottom right, so you have the save icon. So if you're happy with that, you can just hit save, and that'll become live on your site. The principle of changing text is fairly similar. There's two ways you can do it. You can actually do it directly by clicking into the box itself, but I prefer, I feel like you've got more design controls if you go into the cog itself. So just to show you the first way of doing it, you can literally just click into there. You see this line flashing, so you can type here, so directly into the box, or you can actually just click on the cog and you get this box that appears. It's a little bit like Word where you've got all your different formatting tools and things like that. But it just gives you a little bit more flexibility in terms of formatting. I just sort of prefer it really. So you could just make any adjustments there. Click on the tick and you can go ahead and save that once you're happy with it. That's pretty much it in terms of just changing the content on your site. You could do the same principle for each one of these images and text. And it's all should work in that way. What might do is I'll cover some more videos on Divi and the more advanced features in a later video for you. But for now, that is essentially the basics. All right, thank you very much. Speak to you soon.